In this bowl, I have some ginger, garlic, bay leaves, thyme, tomatoes, green onions, scotch bonnet, onions, celery. And also I'm going to be using these canned beans. I really like this. This is really easy to use. And yep. And some palm oil. And some turkey, smoked turkey. Now I'm just going to blend this. My hands are clean. A little bit of everything. This. And we're gonna add a little bit of water here. Smells heavenly. So loves, in a clean dry pot, I'm pouring in some palm oil. So after pouring my palm oil, and my palm oil is already super hot, I'm going to be pouring my blended ingredients, and I'm gonna let it cook for a good 30 minutes so the tomatoes, everything can cook well. Make sure you cook it for at least 30 minutes so it cooks well, okay? Going to be adding some crayfish and some smoked turkey. I'm done adding the smoked turkey. I'm going to be adding my beans as well. After pouring the beans inside the pot, I'm just mixing it up nicely while it's still cooking. I'm gonna let it cook for like an extra 20 minutes. And then I'm going to be adding some more ingredients to add it, to give it flavor. Here I'm adding white pepper. I'm gonna add some Knorr seasoning, which is Maggi, or you can put this Knorr if you want. Some salt and some curry powder, and mixing everything together. And that's pretty much it. And our food is ready. Mixing everything up nicely, and while it's still on low heat or medium heat, whichever one you prefer, it's pretty much done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this video, and I hope you can try it out and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you.